All of our products and components are manufactured and assembled in a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Lyons Falls and Phoenix, New York. All products are made in the USA. Otis strives to introduce the newest and most advanced technologies to the gun cleaning market. Cleans the chamber of 5.56mm rifles. 8 to 32 thread size. Tapered bronze bristles scrub the chamber, neck and shoulder. Steel bristles at the base scrub the star chamber of the locking lugs. Brass stem is cold welded to the core, and the tip is folded, not cut. Top reviews from the United States. Effective product, makes life easier. Very handy brush. Works well to loosen up all the chamber fouling so it can be cleaned out with a bore snake and an AR cleaning star. I just squirt some Zippo fluid on it, push it in, and rotate it a few times around. Zippo fluid is a decent solvent that evaporates without residue, so you don't have to work hard to then clean out the solvent you just used. The one thing to know is that it fits tightly in the chamber, so you can't just spin the cleaning rod with your fingers. If your cleaning rod has a fixed handle at the end that will work. If the handle spins, you'll need something to grip the cleaning rod so you have enough torque to rotate it. I clamp a pair of vise grips to the cleaning rod and then just rotate the vise grips. Works out great. I don't fault this product for that drawback, so much as the makers of most cleaning rods.